You take the chair. जैसा आपका चेयर है ऐसे you have to drop it on the ground. Okay. Now you take 2 bricks, everyone. You take 2 bricks here. Now you have to keep your bricks, everyone, beside of the chair. Okay. Here, exactly beside. Clear, everyone? And आपके पास towel है ना आपके पास? You have to keep on the bar of the chair. You please stand on the knee, everyone here. You have to stand on the knee. Okay. ये किधर ही नहीं जाएगा. This is for the deeper back bend that we are doing. Okay. Now you bring the chair, everyone here. Now try to hold the top of the chair with your both the hands. Clear? You try to rotate the shoulder, everyone. You lean back and you need to keep your back, everyone, on the chair here. देखो, you have to hold this legs of the chair. You keep pressing it back, everyone, to open up the chest and drop your head back here. Okay. chair को push करते रहो and you keep pressing the head more. You try to look in head in. When this is done, try to hold the legs of the chair and try to keep pressing it more, everyone. Bring your both hands here. You try to bring your both hands more forward as much as you can. Possible to ankle ko pakdo. If you can, go more front, everyone, and simply you stay there. Okay. Start. Take position, come on. Okay, no problem. You please start, everyone. सब लोग, everyone face this side. So that you will understand. Start, everyone, come on. सर इतना इतना उल्टा इधर जाएंगे. You please stand on the knee, everyone. सब लोग एक ही साथ करो, please. Come on. Start చేయండి. Hemen. Okay. Stand on the knee, everyone. 1 hour, sir. Now slowly bend back, everyone. Come on, stand on the knee properly on the bricks here. Yeah. Now slowly hold the chair properly with your both hands and bend back. 1, come on, everyone. Photo card. And photo card था नहीं तर हाँ photo card है ना जी video भी card. 1, come on, everyone. Bend back, come on. हाँ. Well and 2. इधर पिलो से क्या छोटा वाला. Well and 3. Well and 4. Well and 5. यहाँ go back. हाँ इतने मिलेगा. Perfect. 6. Well and 7. हाँ well and मैम. हाँ बैक बेंड करो. इतने well बेंड. पिलो उन्हें बाउंड देना. 8. पिलो समा. 9. दे दर. In the 10. Last 10. Drop your head back. 9. Mama, bolster this side. Well and 7. Drop your head back, everyone. Well and 6. Well and 5. ये वीडियो भी करना. Well and 3. हम उल्टा करना दे. Well and 2. Go back. Drop your head back. 1. I think you are hurting, right? Bend forward, everyone. Bama dira. Bend forward. We'll do with the bolster, everyone. You're hurting your back? Yes, I understand. And it's normal. Boy, बहुत बड़ा है actually. Pillows. Okay, that's fine. You just give it a try. तीसरा माँ. चलाओगे ना. Relax. We'll do again. You take the. I will give you the bolster. Everyone use the bolster. जिनके पास पिलोज नहीं है आपके पास है ना मेरे घर తీసుకోండి పైన పెట్టేయండి. ఓ వి హావ్ మ్యాట్ రైట్ సారీ పర్ఫెక్ట్ మమ్మ మ్యాట్ తీసుకురారా. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఇవన్నీ हाँ वही ले रहा हूँ. जिनके पास पिलो नहीं है तो यू प्लीज़ टेक दिस एवरीवन। हाँ तो सही है एक्चुअली। यू प्लीज़ मेक इट फोल्डिंग कर दो उसको और ट्राई टू कीप इट ऑन द टॉप एवरीवन। పిల్లో ఉందా మీకు? ఉందా మీ దగ్గర? ఓకే సార్ ఉందా? ఓకే ఊగుతుందా? ఏం కాదులే, నో ప్రాబ్లం, బ్యాలెన్స్ అయిపోతుంది. డూ టు టేక్ దిస్. నీ దగ్గర లేదా? Now you again bend back everyone, come on. Bend back everyone, start. 1, start again. Well and 2. No, don't, okay. Well and 3. Well and 4. Go back, हाँ. Well and 5. पूरा हाथ अंदर डाल दो. Well and 6. Grip it here. हाँ. 7. Very good. Well and 8. हाथ डालो मैं. 9. इस चेयर को पकड़ो, हाँ. 10. हाथ स्लाइड करो धीरे धीरे अंदर. अरे नीचे रख सकते हो आप. लास्ट 10. हाँ यस. 9. अभी लेके आओ अंदर, लेके जाओ. 7. नो ना, ऐसे इधर इधर ही. वेल एंड 6. स्टे देयर, हाँ चलेगा. वेल एंड 5. वेल एंड 4. अंदर डाल दो ऐसा, हाथ अंदर डाल दो. वेल एंड 3. थोड़ा सा अभी एल्बो पुश करो. वेल एंड 2. या वेल एंड 1. Go more back, go more back, go more. Head in करो. You keep pressing it more. Little more head in. Last 10. Well done, ma'am. Ah, chin, come on. 9. Well done, 8. Are you fine, ma'am? Well done, 7. Great, sir. हाथ नीचे लेके जाओ थोड़ा. Well done, 6. हाँ. धीरे. हाँ, very good. 5. कितने petition sir? 4. No compromise, everyone. You have to give 100%. Come on. Change, ma'am. Bend back. 3. Go down. Yeah. Well and ఇంకా. Well and 2. ఇక్కడనే, हाँ. Well and 1. Head in చేయండి. And slowly relax everyone. Slow. Nice. Bend forward everyone. Lengthen your spine. Extend your both hands. कभी किया है चेयर पे ऐसा? किया होगा? No? Bend forward. 5. Okay ना? पेन सुनना? 4. Well and 3. You relax the back everyone. 2. Well and 1. And slowly relax everyone. You twist everyone, look back. 10. Well and 9. और 1.5 घंटे टेंशन लेने का, धीरे करते जाएंगे. 7. 6. You have time, right? सबके पास टाइम है ना? हाँ करना पड़ेगा, राइट. वर्कशॉप है. 3. Well and 2. 1. Change other side everyone. 1. Come on, twist. You relax the back everyone. 2. Well and 3. Well and 4. Well and 5. Well and 6. 7. 8. And slowly relax everyone. That's great. We'll go with the next now. I think everyone advanced practice, so I will teach advanced only. Now what you have to do everyone, your chair will remain same. Okay. You need to keep your both the foot everyone on the edge here. Clear? You simply stand everyone in Malasana. Okay, adjust the back. You lean back everyone. Okay, pillow की जरूरत नहीं है. No problem. Now slowly bend back everyone. You have to hold the chair. Hold the top of the chair. Okay everyone. Otherwise, better you drop your body back. You hold this chair with your both hands everyone. You try to raise your waist. थोड़ा lean करो पीछे की तरफ. Don't lift the foot, otherwise you badly fall on the ground. You keep pressing it firmly. You lift your body up everyone. You try to keep a knee straight. देखो, you need to lean back everyone. You hold the chair properly. You try to keep a knee straight. You look in, head in here. Very slowly bring your both the hands front. You try to keep your both the legs and stay there. Possibility है दोनों हाथों को टॉप पे रखो. You try to keep leg maximum straight, everyone, and simply you have to stay there. Okay, start. Same. Okay, face that side. You lie down on the back on the chair, everyone. Karo sir, take chair. वीडियो काढो सीधे का हाँ वीडियो दिखानो काढो वीडियो देख इसे का इन चेंज मालूम का हाँ काढो ये हनु काढो दिखानो आड़स काढो खाली हनु का हनु काढो एक तो वीडियो में हाँ मैं मर दूँगी नो प्रॉब्लम स्टार्ट एवरीवन कम ऑन यू लाइड ऑन द बैक सब लोग एक साथ करो अभी यू लाइड ऑन द बैक होल्ड द लेग्स ऑफ द चेयर एवरीवन नाउ प्रॉपरली प्लीज स्टार्ट करो एवरीवन बेंड बैक होल्ड द डाउन लेग्स ऑफ द चेयर हाँ ఇది లిఫ్ట్ చేయండి ఏం కాదు ఇది వెనుక పిల్ల పెట్టుకో now you lift your body up everyone come on you raise your body higher you stay there one come on మ్యామ్ పట్టుకోండి వెనుక డైరెక్ట్ వెళ్ళండి well and two లేదు ఇక్కడ వెనుక బ్యాక్ బెండింగ్ చేయండి మొత్తం పట్టుకోండి ఇప్పుడు లిఫ్ట్ చేయండి well and two ఇది పుష్ చేసిండి ఇక్కడ well and three yeah well and very good four చేయండి సార్ well and five పట్టుకోండి well and six yeah well done everyone bravo you're doing amazing seven that's great you lift your body higher well done nine well done anyone little more body higher little more up और थोड़ा हाथ आगे लिखियो लास्ट 10 और थोड़ा वीडियो काढो जी उल्टा काढा हनु आड़ो लास्ट 10 सेन हनु well done 9 more up come on 8 धीरे से ड्रॉप करो इधर well done 7 lift your body up shift the weight back nice well and 6 stay there you keep pressing the foot firmly well and 5 inkoncham straight cheyandi well and 4 well and 3 చేయండి మ్యామ్ అట్లనే బ్యాక్ బెండ్ చేయండి అట్లనే వెనక చేతులు లిఫ్ట్ చేయకండి వెనక వెళ్ళండి 2 అవుతాడా ఇంకొంచెం 1 and slowly relax everyone hands in the back you look in head in nice great sit down हेल्प करो सर और एक बार करेंगे हम ग्रेट हंस करो बैक में 10 9 కొంచెం మ్యామ్ని కూడా చూస్తుంటే అక్కడ పోయి हेल्प करो मैम थोड़ा 7 well and 6 hope everyone fine बातें करो हाँ देखो ये भी कितना अच्छा आ रहा है ऐसा 2 1 do again everyone the same come on start it's a final then I will give rest okay start everyone Soumya ma'am start bend back everyone start come on that's fine okay no problem 1 well and 2 here well and 3 come on bend back నేను చెప్పిస్తా 4 well and బాడీ మీదకి తీసుకురండి well and 5 లేపండి ఇప్పుడు చేతులు మీద సారీ హ్యాండ్స్ धीरे धीरे आगे लेके आओ well and 6 very good well and 7 keep pressing it more Raju sir shift the weight bring the hands forward well and 9 come on wait Divya ma'am मारो 10 straight last 10 हो गया you're almost there 9 8 जाओ चेयर को पकड़ लो 7 उठाओ थोड़ा well and 6 more up bring the hands forward 5 lift a sternum high everyone well and 3 दिव्या में आगे जाओ अभी well and 2 हाथ लेके आओ आगे well done 2 1 and slowly relax everyone nice we'll take 30 seconds rest okay we'll take 1 minute rest everyone see the problem is if we give 5 minutes rest everyone इतना किया कुछ फ़ायदा ही नहीं है लास्ट में लगी मैं क्या किया ऐसा लगता है समझ रहे आप 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 रिलैक्स Do Balasana. Take rest 30 seconds completely every. Sorry, 1 minute completely. When जब opportunity आएगा तभी रेस्ट लेना है. Okay, come on everyone. Lie down. Go with the Shalabhasana. 60. 59. ఉండని నార్మల్ చేసేయి. 58. भूल का खाली प्रैक्टिस कर खाली सपोर्ट कर खाली. 55. 40. 30. 20. नहीं सारे सो जाओ ऐसे ही हाथ नको उठाओ. 20. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. Well and 4. 3. Well and 2. 1. And slowly relax. Now you look here once everyone. ऐसे ही देखो इधर, रिलैक्स करो इधर देखो. Now you have to take this chair. Okay. You take this chair everyone. Now you have to keep your both the legs inside of the chair here. Okay. You keep your both the legs front. You fix the foot firmly into the ground. Hold the chair everyone. The moment when you're lying back, you please keep engaging the core here. Engage your rectus abdominis. That will help you in doing the back bend. You hold this chair everyone. Rotate the shoulder. You lean back. You keep engaging and try to keep your back here. Okay. You simply drop a head everyone and stay there. आपको possible है तो keep a leg straight. You drop the hands everyone and try to hold the legs of the chair and simply stay there. Now if you can, you try to look in head in everyone and stay there. Now try to bend your both the legs. Very slowly bring your both the legs back. Okay, as much as you can. Leg को पीछे लेके आओ. Inhale. You further go down everyone. Try to extend it more. Try to bring the head inside and stay there. Possibility है. Extend your both hands everyone. You try to hold the foot. You try to look in head in more completely and stay there. If you can, you further go more everyone. Extend your both hands inside. You try to hold the legs of the chair. You look in more and simply you have to stay there. Clear everyone? I will help you. Okay, our teachers will help you. Alright, come on, start. Start everyone. Come on, stand up. Start everyone. Everyone face this side. Come on, start. Ma'am, okay na? चाहिए तो चेयर पे ना. हाँ. You please start everyone. You keep your no ऐसा बैठना आप लोग. इधर देखो भूल गया होगा आप लोग. ये चेयर ऐसा रखने का. ओके. और अपना दोनों पैर अंदर डालना है ऐसा. डाल के you have to sit here everyone. Okay. Start everyone. You please keep your both the legs inside of the chair everyone. Now slowly drop your body back, bend back. Start to come on. You lay on the back everyone. Now very slowly drop your head back everyone. Keep your both the legs straight initially. And keep your both the elbows on the ground everyone. Come on. While everyone. One, come on everyone. Well and two. You keep your elbows on the ground. Well and three. Well and four. Well and five. Please don't talk in the class everyone. Please stay. 4. Well and 5. 6, 7, 8, well and 9, well and 10, come on, last 10, bend the legs and bring your both the legs back here, well and 9, well and 8, well and 7, well and 6, 5, well and 4, last 10, head in, come on, well and 9, well and 8, well and 7, well and 6, outer hand, well and 5, stay, well and 4, come on everyone, little more head in 3, outer hand under the other, well and 2, well and 1, and slowly relax everyone. You please come out off the chair everyone. You please twist everyone, look back. 1, twist and look back. Very good. हम और cruise नहीं किया है. Okay everyone, just we are preparing. Well and 2, look back. Well and 3. 4. Well and 5. Well and 6. 7. 8. Change everyone other side. 1 twist. Well and 2. Well and 3. 4. Well and 5. Here 6 everyone. 7. 8. And slowly relax everyone. You come out of the chair now. Hello, Bharat. Now we'll go to the next. Look at the compass. You look at me over. Now you take this chair. Okay, you take the chair now. Now you need to keep your chair exactly to the edge of the mat here. Now try to keep it below whatever the mat you have, the pillow you can keep on the top. Okay. Now here I will be involving upper back and the mid back and the lower back, everything together. Okay. Now everyone from here, you simply try to hold the top of the chair with your both hands. You bend the knees everything to Utthita. You try to keep your upper back. You need to keep the top of the shoulder on the chair. Now from here, you try to extend your both hands everyone. You keep pressing it back and stay there. आपके पास belt है तो you please take this belt everyone. You tie this belt here everyone. Okay, belt को tie करो इधर. Simply. Okay. Now hold this belt everyone. Try to keep upper back. Now rotate the shoulder. You keep pressing the glutes back everyone. Hold the belt with your both hands. You go more down. You try to extend it. Both hands move back. You keep pressing the glute more. Open up the chest completely. Open up the ribs and drop your head back and stay there. Possibility है. You try to hold the chair everyone here. You further adjust here. Keep your shoulder. You keep pressing the glute more back. Open up more. Drop your head back and stay there. After 10 seconds of this asana, you lean back everyone where you have to keep your mid back on the chair. Okay. And try to hold the chair here. Keep pressing the foot. You try to look in head in more everyone. Simply stay there. Possibility you keep rolling the hands more with the support of the chair everyone. And simply you stay there. Now you further go back little, थोड़ा सा mid back या lower back बीच में रखो. You can hold the legs of the chair. You bring your both the legs back in Chakrasana. We'll be doing Dimbasana of the Purna Chakrasana position. Now if you can everyone, you keep walking through this bar very slowly and try to hold the legs of the chair. And you keep sliding the hands more down everyone. And we'll be reaching your both ankle and simply stay in Dimbasana. At the same time, you're looking heading more everyone. Okay, and simply You sit. Okay. It's very easy. Immediately. Start everything. Ah, come on. Start karo. Take this side. Everyone, you please take the belt. You can use the belt everyone to the chair here. You take the belt everyone. You please start. हम बहुत इजी प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं, वो आपको भी पता है, राइट? Everyone, don't hold the belt now. Hold the belt. मैं आपको बताता हूँ, right? I will help you to hold the chair properly. Now everyone, you please try to hold the side of the chair with your both hands. Otherwise you might fall on the ground. Please be careful. Now try to keep your shoulder everyone properly here. Now very slowly drop the head back. Extend your both hands here. Hold the belt with your both hands. You try to extend your both hands. You try to distribute the weight properly everyone. Okay. You keep pressing the shoulder. You try to bring the glutes down. One. Well, and please be careful everyone. Well, and 3. Well, and 4. 5. You please start everyone. 6. Extend your over half to fix it. Well, and 7. 8. 12 and 9. 12 and 10. You slowly enter into the big bag. Everyone come on, here is over. Go back. Keep it big. 1. Come on everyone. 12 and 2. Go back. Sir, 1 more thing. 2. Go back. Keep on. 12 and 3. 12 and 5. Yeah, well and now 6. 7. 8. 9. Last 10. Come on, go बढ़िया था, very good. 9. 7. और इंग्लिश में चेक करो. 12 and 6. Why are you doing this? 5. 12 and 4. Stay, please be careful everyone. 12 and 3. Last 10. 6. 12 and 5. Slow, very good. You keep rolling hands. 12 and 2. Well done everyone. 1. You please relax everyone, bend forward. Wait, that's great. You please relax everyone, bend forward. You please lean forward everyone. Try to keep a lower abdomen on the chair. Exchange your both hands and stay. Bend forward. Come on, 10 everyone. 9. 6. 5. 3. 12 and 2. 1. And do again everyone the same. Direct lower back bending on the chair. Okay. Come on everyone. Start. Yeah, bend back everyone. Come on. You please Be careful, everyone. Come on. Bend back. One. Stand, everyone. One. Bend back, everyone. Well and 2. 3. 4. Well and 5. Well and 6. 7. 7. 8. Stay. 9. Last 10. 9.